Hi. So I know that because of Corona, a lot of us have been self-quarantined, and it's okay to be worried and stressed during this time. But I was really worried and stressed too, and like I had lost a friend this week, so it is very important to take care of ourselves and our mental health during times like this. I wanted to do something small for my family because everybody is busy with work, even though they're at home. And I know that doing things for other people can also make us feel happy too. So yeah, come and make some banana bread with me. So now I'm going to the kitchen. I don't actually know if I have the right ingredients, but we'll see. I also got these flowers, and I was thinking of making special like little bouquets to give each person with the banana bread. So I think I can like tie something around them and cut like little bouquets out of these too. So I found the bananas, and I saw this trick on this blog where if the bananas aren't super ripe, you can roast them in the oven for some time until they turn black. It won't be as good as if you use regular bananas that are already ripe, but I wanted to try this trick out. So those are in the oven, and while those are cooking, we're gonna make little bouquets out of the baby's breath and some yarn I found from like 3rd grade. So yeah. So I'm cutting off the plastic, and then I'm just going to cut little bunches of flax. I want to make really small bouquets because I want to make a lot of them and then use the rest maybe to decorate my room. So I think mini bouquets will be nice because they're going to be small pieces of banana bread to go with them too. So this is what it'll look like. Now I'm going to tie little bows around each little bunch so it looks like an actual bouquet, and instead of being out like this, the stems will go in. I'm really excited. I like doing stuff like this. I used to do a lot of crafts when I was younger, and now I get to do them again, and for people that I really like, so it's nice. I should do this more often. So I can't find the end of the yarn. So I got cold, so I put on a sweater. Let's do this. Okay, so these bananas came out of the oven looking like this. So then I'm gonna peel them and put them into this bowl. Now I'm going to mash them with this fork. So this is what they look like. They look kind of rank right now, but it's gonna taste good. This is a good way to relieve all of your stress. I'm gonna add all of the wet ingredients first, so that way I don't have to overmix and change up the texture of the banana bread. Because if you mix it too much, usually it gets it's not as fluffy and moist, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. One egg. So I lined a pan with aluminum foil, and then I put some butter in it so that the cake won't stick to it. And now it is time for flour, which I like to add at the end so that I don't overmix it. Because otherwise, if I add other ingredients after, then I still have to make sure they're well incorporated. This is what the kitchen table currently looks like. So I am going to clean it up so that my family doesn't have to come into the kitchen and deal with my mess later on. So I have parchment paper, and I'm going to be cutting out little squares and then individually wrapping pieces of banana. So yeah, I made little packaged pieces of banana bread, and I'm gonna give them to my family members with these little bouquets and surprise them while they're all working, because everybody's working on either homework or they're in meetings with clients and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give these to them, and I hope they like it. This is just like a tiny, simple idea of like something you could do for people around you when we're all stuck inside, and we can actually like enjoy it with people we love.